Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting battle of the pool cleaners. We promise to bring you the best, and we are here to dive into the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus, a pool cleaner we recommend over the Ypres Seagull Southeast. If you want to save time, headaches, and say goodbye to manually watching your robot pool cleaner clean, then this one's a game changer. Let's start with the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus. This incredible robotic pool cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest pool cleaning tasks, leaving your pool spotless. The Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus is an ideal robotic pool cleaner for in-ground pools up to 50 feet in size, made of gimmick, plaster, vinyl, or fiberglass. With its large filtration panels and SmartNav 3.0 navigation system, it efficiently cleans both the pool floor and walls in just 2 hours. The 360 cable swivel ensures a tangle-free operation, and the added convenience of a weekly smart timer allows for hassle-free and automated cleaning scheduling. It effortlessly cleans the pool floor and walls thanks to its powerful scrubbers, making it a perfect cleaning companion for your pool. You don't have to deal with cumbersome vacuum tubes. The Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus is electrically powered and operates through a tangle-free 360 swivel cable. This means no more strain on your pool's filtration system, and your pool's filter will last longer. As mentioned in the previous video, unlike the Ypres Seagull, the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus uses a clever clean technology, SmartNav 3.0, which enables it to make smart cleaning routes. It efficiently navigates your pool, ensuring every inch is thoroughly cleaned. And with a 2-hour cleaning cycle, it's the perfect balance between a comprehensive clean and energy efficiency. With the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi capability, you can control and schedule cleanings remotely through your smartphone. While some high-end models like Dolphin Sigma have additional manual control features, such as controlling the path of the cleaner, this one still offers convenience and hassle-free maintenance. Operating the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is straightforward. All you need to do is plug it into an electrical outlet, place the robot in the pool, and then press the activation button. Once activated, the robot will automatically start its cleaning cycle, independently navigating through the pool to clean the surfaces. One of the key features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is its ability to climb walls. As the robot moves up the pool walls, it senses when it reaches the waterline and will then change its direction, ensuring it covers all areas of the walls and doesn't get stuck in any particular direction. While climbing the pool walls, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus can also move laterally, meaning it can move sideways along the walls. This lateral movement is beneficial for loosening up any debris or algae that might be clinging to the waterline, effectively removing these contaminants from the pool's surfaces. The robot's cleaning process involves significant water movement, and its wide and comprehensive brushes on the bottom of the unit ensure thorough cleaning of the pool surfaces. The circulating water helps push debris, algae, and other particles towards the bottom and into the robot's filters, promoting effective water circulation and aiding the pool's filtration system. The Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus comes with a standard 2.5-year warranty hassle-free versus the Ypres Seagull Southeast 1-year warranty. As much as we love the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus, it lacks tile and waterline cleaning capabilities. These are found in more expensive models like the Dolphin Premier and Dolphin Quantum. However, for the majority of pool owners, this won't be a deal-breaker considering its overall outstanding performance. Let's take it up a notch with attachable accessories. We highly recommend getting the ultra-fine cleaner cartridge panels. They are perfect for capturing tiny particles that other pool cleaners might miss. Trust me, you won't regret adding these to your pool cleaning arsenal. This pool cleaner effectively vacuums even microparticles and dirt, leaving the pool incredibly clean. No more pushing dirt around like the other cleaners and waiting on them to clean your pool. You have better things to do. And guess what? To make life even easier, get the Dolphin Plus Caddy. It's the perfect organizer for your Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus power supply and the 50-foot cord. Keep everything in one place for a hassle-free cleaning experience. So there you have it, winner by a landslide, the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus. The Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus reigns supreme over the Ypres Seagull Southeast. It saves you time, headache, and manual effort while keeping your pool sparkling clean. Its smart technology, easy maintenance, and reliability make it the ultimate choice for pool owners who want the best of both worlds. Upgrade your pool cleaning game and invest in the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting pool content. Until next time, happy swimming.